In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how you can record the screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel. There we go, expand it, and look for the toggle. Now, by default, I don't think it's added, so we will need to press on this button right over here and find it somewhere in the toggles that are just turned off. And it looks like it's on the second page for me right over here. So once you locate your toggle, grab it, drag it over, drop it, and there we go. We can go back and we can quickly access it by just tapping on it. Select continue, agree, allow. And as you can see, it brings up this overlay right here. So you can record, access settings, and close it. Now under the settings, we have a couple options for the sound. So we can record the system sound and the microphone, and then we can also access more settings. And here we have probably most importantly video resolution. So I would probably recommend changing it to 1080p. And from here, I'm gonna start recording. Tap on the circle, it will start the countdown or counter. And yeah, whatever you will do right now will be recorded. Now, once you're done with the recording, you can interact with the overlay, stop it, and it will get automatically saved to your gallery application, or photos in this case. And you can see it right over here. It will also appear under albums and screenshots, it looks like. So there we go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.